Answer, what?
Go ahead, Frank.
Go ahead, Marco, the copy, guys. Frank is North Ireland. Go ahead.
It's impossible. Could be very, very much people. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, Mr. Tony, I put the microphone back to you, but I go in a Yankee because I have many people call me and I don't want to break your QSO and excuse me for this break. Okay, Mr. Tony, 29 Alpha Charlie 001 from 1 Alpha Tango 547. Okay, Tony, back to you the microphone, but it's impossible. Many people call me Mr. Tony. Okay. Back to you, Tony, from Marco in Italy. Back to you.
No bother at all there, Marco. Very good to hear you there. Thanks for calling in. I give you a rundown here on the conditions here, Marco. I'm running here with an ICOM 7600, the ICOM 7600, and vertical antenna, the Serio 2016. Serio 2016 is my antenna, and I'm running roughly around 850 whiskies there at the moment there, Marco. That's the working conditions here on my side there, Roger.
Yeah, Roger, Mr. Tony. Okay, good condition. But I go with Yagi antenna. I have a homemade Yagi horizontal antenna, homemade 5 elements with a loop radiator. I have antenna system LFA, okay. I use loop
Roger.
full size.
Hear him.
And
Yep.
my radio is ECOM 7800. And the microphone is audio studio microphone, Rode broadcaster with audio equalizer, and stop. My whiskey now 380 whiskey, 400 whiskey, 400 whiskey. Okay, is a whole of my station, but this for now is my work condition. Okay, Mr. Tony, I put the microphone back to you. 29 Alpha Charlie 001 from 1 Alpha Tango 547. Marco in Sentinel, the part of Italy. Back to you.
Yeah, no bother at all there, Marco. You have a good station there. Likewise, I take it you're probably doing a lot of the work there at the moment there with your beam antenna there. Yeah, definitely sounding very good there. Likewise, I'm running here an audio EQ. There's an 8-bander audio EQ there from Ukraine. It's the Uniform Radio Queen 6 Whiskey. Uniform Radio, hold on, I get a look here. Uniform Radio 6 Queen Whiskey there, 8-bander from audio EQ from Ukraine. And I'm also running here with a cheap Chinese microphone. It's the Euro November Whiskey 700 there, Marco. Well, your station's sounding very well here and down on there at the moment. But just stand by a moment there. I have another station on the side there. If you just stand by and listen out for him. It's 68 World Radio 048. Just stand by a moment there. We'll just see if the conditions working there from Mr. Marty there. Back to you there, Marty.
Okay. Right, hi copy, Mr. Marco. A very good evening from 68 Whiskey Romeo 048 Northern Ireland in Nimobile.
Yeah, Whiskey Romeo. I think Whiskey Romeo. But your name is Martin. I think Martin is correct, Mr. Back to you.
Correct, my friend, correct. The call is 68 Whiskey Romeo 048, mobile station north of Belfast, the QSL.
Yeah, in a mobile station, Mr. Martin. Wow. What kind of antenna you utilize in your car, on your mobile? Very strong signal, Mr. Martin, and very big and You usually audio. I listen to you in a very, very big, good condition. Okay, Mr. Martin, 028 Whiskey Romeo, I think. Whiskey Romeo. Okay, I write in my log. Okay, Martin, for my question, what kind of antenna you use in your mobile station? Back to you, Martin, from 1AT547.
Okay, 547 048 mobile returning. A fine business, Marco. Very strong also there. Very, very strong. You're plus 20, plus 30 at dB. Running Kenwood TS480 transceiver, stock microphone. Mobile antenna there. We use as the tank whip there. The 9-foot quarter wave tank whip on a Trimaga on a magnetic base a QSL.
Yeah, QSL. Very, very big station, Mr. Martin. Very, very. Congratulations. Congratulations for this our propagation, but you have a very, very big mobile station. Very congratulations. Okay, my friends. Now with your permit, I want to go into QRT. Okay, I put on off in my radio, and I send you my best 73, and thank you very much for this contact. I am very, very happy to listen to your station in this condition. Very, very well, and I am very, very happy, I repeat. Okay, Mr. Tony, I put the microphone back to you, 29 Alpha Charlie 001 from 1AT547. But I go in QRT, okay? Thank you very much for this QSO. Next to you, Tony. And thank you very much. And I hope to listen to you in this good condition. Bye-bye, 73, my friends. Ciao, Tony. Ciao, Martin. Grazie mille. Ciao, grazie. Bye, Tony.
No bother at all there, Marco. Very good to hear you there as well, there on the frequency there, sounding very well. Likewise, you're the biggest signal so far at the moment. I don't see any other activity here on my band scope, on my transceiver. You're the biggest signal so far there at the moment there, that I can see there, Marco. Very good to make the hook up with you there. 73s and 51s from 29 Alpha Charlie 001. You take care from Tony here in Ireland.
Okay, Marco, you're still receiving there. I just did a video there, a video of your audio with Tony and myself. You get it on YouTube, 73s. Good evening.
Okay, grazie mille, grazie mille. Grazie. I am very happy, Mr. Tony, for your QRK. Okay, thank you very much. Okay. Ciao ragazzi. Grazie di nuovo, a presto. Ciao, in italiano. Ciao, grazie.
Well, there you go, Tony. One we could actually hear, Tony.
The which?
I say there's one we could actually hear. I thought you were going to get the ball there, Roger.
Yeah, just